Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Hello and welcome to Share Talk. Today I'm joined by Bernard Aylward, who is CEO at Kodal Minerals. How are you today, Bernard?
Great, thanks. Zach, and yourself?
Doing fine. We are in just the aftermath of your recent announcement regarding your lithium project in Mali. Is it fair to say that you maybe caught some people on the hop with that announcement?
Look, it's probably fair to say that, Zach. I think there's some thought with some other companies that they're looking at the lithium market at the moment and thinking that they might just keep their powder dry. But you've probably, if you've been following Kodal over the years, you'd know that we're a company we're very positive about our project. We see it as a project that's clearly suitable for development. And we continue to work very hard to ensure that the project is moving ahead. And that's why we were very pleased to announce the MOU with Sino Hydro, a massive company and a big tick of approval for our project.
And it looks as though, Sino Hydro seems to be something of a sugar daddy in the sense that they're funding the sort of the initial development of the project. Is that right?
Well, not quite as good as all that, Zach. What they're actually doing at the moment is reviewing the feasibility that we've completed and lodged with the government for the development, working with us to look to develop a tender or, the requirements for the actual construction of that. So looking towards developing an EPC contract. And finally, perhaps the sugar daddy part of it is to work with us towards getting the project financed. And I think they're fantastic skills that Sino Hydro can bring to assist us. And I think they'll see as they go through our work that it's completed to a very high standard, an excellent project and well worth their time as well as ours to move to development.
Right, and I was seeing the RNS that this is one of the top 15 lithium projects in the world. You're still quite a small company, so do you expect the market to catch up with that prospect?
Well, look, I think, lithium projects are around the world continuing to be explored for. We're in a happy position of actually demonstrating that we have an economic project, which is a great advantage. We also have a major shareholder and an offtake partner, again, major advantages compared to other companies. And lastly, now we're putting in a bit of a piece of the puzzle with Sino Hydro and their interest in our project. So what I hope will happen is that the market will start to pay a bit more attention and instead of just saying, look, there's a junior company with an interesting project, they should actually be looking at us and saying, actually, there's a real company with a real project and strong support and ambition to move quickly to development. And I hope that does lead to a re-rating.
Right, and the other good news, I see that the company is receiving over £600,000 in the bank as well. That was announced on the 7th of September.
That's correct, and that's a function of earlier this year we entered into an equity sharing agreement with the Riverfort Group, and I guess we're very fortunate that has worked out extremely well in our favour. So a £500,000 ESA is returning over £630,000 to us. Riverfort and their investor group have exercised their options. There was another £100,000 to us on top of a cash balance. So, I never feel that we're fully comfortable for funding, Zach, because, exploration and development companies spend money. However, we're in a very good position. We're seeing a lot of support in the market currently, and I think, and I expect that to continue as we start to see the review from Sino Hydro and what I expect to be very positive feedback.
So it looks as though you've covered all the bases as far as the Guni project is concerned. Does that mean that your hands are free to look at other projects and take things forward in other areas?
Yes, we think so. We also, as you will be aware as the Kodal follower, that we do have some very good quality gold exploration assets in West Africa, and this time now gives us the opportunity to review and push those assets a little bit. But we do want to be very clear that our lithium project is our flagship. It's a very good quality project. We expect to be able to develop it. But as you say, we've got a lot of things in place. For us at Burgooney now, the next stage is getting the mining license granted. That just gives us that next level of confidence in the development plan. Unfortunately, I'm sure you and your listeners are aware of the political situation in Mali. We hope that sorts out quickly. We know that the mining license is ready to be signed, and then we're just waiting on that and the Mali government. So yes, we are interested, of course, in looking at other projects. We have an excellent project, so whatever we look at has to also be very good quality.
Bernard Aylward, CEO Kodal Minerals, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much, Zach.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.